Hello friends, welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Well, I just got home. It's around 10 in the morning. Shaylee had an appointment somewhere today. And now I'm back and I'm hitting my morning routine. Starting with putting the load of towels that I washed this morning into the dryer. Now I'm going to start a load of laundry. I am so loving this laundry room. A lot of you have asked me that in the comments, and yes, I just am so thankful for this laundry room, and it brings me a lot of joy. For all of you that are new here, we moved into this house the end of June, and our last home, the laundry room, was down in the basement and it wasn't finished, and it shared with a storage room and a refrigerator and freezer. So I'm very thankful for this small but white, and there's drywall and paint and decorations, and I'm so thankful for it. Okay, grabbed some cloths and dishcloths that I'm gonna put in the drawer in the kitchen. So now that I'm home, like I said, I'm just jumping into my morning routine. Paige, come potty. So last night we had dinner with Felix's family and I made cookies, and I didn't load the dishwasher. I didn't do that part of my night routine. So what I'm gonna do right now is finish up the night routine I should have done last night, but we got home super late. All right, let's wash some dishes.
Running from all things at once without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time has gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still wonder where you are, and if you found a way out from the dark. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's
So now that I did that, I am now going to start on work and start editing, and I am editing the roasted turkey video. So I'll be doing this for the next couple of hours and then I'll start on dinner. Okay, dokie, I worked for a few hours. There's still many hours left on that video. Videos take a long time, you guys. So the kids just got home from school. So I am going to start on dinner, and I'm going to make the chicken enchiladas that's on my list. If you guys don't know, I created a menu list for the week and I took you guys along and cooked with you. I'll leave that video in the eye in the sky so you could see it. So I'm gonna make chicken enchiladas, and I already have the chicken cooked for this part. So I'm gonna heat up a pan. We're gonna add some cream cheese and get that all melty with the chicken. We're gonna add a can of diced chilies and a little bit of the green sauce in the pan. And then we're gonna roll them up in tortillas and get them in a casserole dish and get them in the oven, because Shaylee has cheering tonight and I wanna make dinner before cheering, so when we get back, it's dinner time and we're ready to eat. I looked down in our food storage room, and no, it's not ready for you guys to see yet. You guys were asking on the last video. I bought a while back some of this Mexican rice, and it's rice and pasta blend with bell peppers and Mexican seasonings, and we're gonna make some of this, and then we'll have a salad to go along with it. Okay, I have the salad, the dressing. Can you hear this bubbling away? The chicken enchiladas, the rice. We have some tomatoes to put on top with some sour cream. And dinner is ready. Everyone's gonna eat right now. Shaylee and I will eat after cheer. So dinner is done, yay. Good morning, friends. Okay, today is the day. Homepage, today's the day. We are gonna say goodbye to our old friend here. We've had this refrigerator for many years, and we're gonna say goodbye for the new one. So this was a Whirlpool. I have a cooler here full of freezer stuff, and then I put the rest of the freezer stuff in the big freezer in the garage. Now I'm going to take everything that's out of there, put it on the counter, and put it in this bin. And yeah, so here I go. New fridge will be here in 15 minutes. Okay, I have a basket full of food here, basket full of food here. I didn't want to bring it all the way downstairs to the other refrigerator to just bring it back up. I know the new refrigerator is going to take time to cool down, but to cool and get cold, but this stuff will be okay. So I thought I would have time to go run and get another cooler, but no, so that's all right. Bye, fridge. You have been so good to us. See you later. Peace out. Okay, they just took that one out and I just cleaned up the floor. Now time to get the new fridge in. Here it is, let's do a tour. So this is a Samsung, and I know a lot of you were worried about that because of their ice maker. Well, they fixed the ice maker and the warranty we have on it is really good. So we did the black stainless steel because it would just match everything in the kitchen really good. So you press this little button here on the doorknob, and this peekaboo fridge that they call it pokes out. And here we have butter and just easy condiments that we do for sandwiches here, and milk here. And you open up both doors, and this is the inside of the refrigerator. Oh my gosh, okay. Over here we just have some more condiments, hot sauces, soy sauce, things like that. Derek is in love with this right here. This is his favorite thing about the fridge. Oh my goodness. So it's a water filtration thingy. You can put tea bags and different fruits in the filter part right here. And then it'll make your nice cold herbal teas, whatever you want to do there. So we just have condiments on this whole side of the fridge. This is the ice maker here. So this is really cool. This shelf can come down and make one full shelf. Or if you have tall objects like this, you could put them here. So I like that the shelves could be versatile, which I love. One thing that we looked for in a fridge was to be able to do that and also be able to slide a shelf in like this. So you can also do tall items here. So yeah, so we have 2 drawers that we're using for our vegetables. This is where the filter goes. So this is the inside of the refrigerator. Love it. Okay, it comes with water and cubed and crushed ice. This drawer here is also the refrigerator drawer. And this here moves. You can unlock it and move it and create the sections and spaces that you need. But this is like our deli drawer, cheeses and meats and the bacon, some leftover butter down here, sour cream, things like that. And then down here is our freezer. This top one we have fruits in our frozen veggie smoothie packets. And then 2 deep buckets down in here. I just figure what I'm going to start doing is keeping the things that we're eating for the next week or 2 in this freezer and keep everything else in the big freezer so we can rotate the food that's in this freezer and things don't get lost. And that's our freezer. So if you want to know the model number, I'll put it here on the screen. But this is a Samsung. We're super excited. It is like the refrigerator that we wanted to get before we moved. But then we just put it on hold for a while. And but this one fits the space better. So it's like the other one, but newer. There's no ice maker problems like the other one. So yeah, and it's supposed to be counter length or something like that. Doesn't poke out too far from the counter. It fits really good. We're super happy with it. I'm excited to use it for the holidays. And our other refrigerator is now working downstairs. So back to 2 refrigerators, which I'm so happy, and the big freezer in the garage. So there you guys have it. So it does come in stainless steel, but we wanted the black stainless steel because we're not a big fan of stainless steel. And we thought it would just look good in here, and it sure does. So that's the new refrigerator. And it's quiet. It's so quiet. Yay, so I could film without being interrupted all the time. Yay, yay, yay. I am glad that we didn't hop on buying a fridge the beginning of the year like we wanted to. I'm glad we waited. We were able to go over reviews. We were able to get the newer model for 37% off. And yeah, and it will fit better than the other one would have. The other one would have stuck out a lot. So good things come for being patient, I guess. So yeah, that's the new fridge. Super happy.